Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious fried fish recipe. Guys, this is an easy recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. Okay guys, the first ingredient we have here is fish. This is called Panla fish, so make sure you wash the fish thoroughly. You can as well use any fish or any fish of choice, okay? And the next thing you're going to do is to sift your all-purpose flour. Then you add your spices like curry and the rest of them. Add Cameroon pepper. Next, you salt the fish. Make sure you pat the fish dry before salting, okay? The next thing you're going to do is to put the fish into this spiced flour and coat the fish. You can choose to use or add any spice you want in the flour, okay? So guys, here is our coated fish. So heat up your oil, make sure it's hot enough. You can add onion for flavor, then you start frying your fish. So the fish was lengthy. I had to cut the fish into two, okay? So guys, a delicious fish is ready. Transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. Guys, this fried fish was so tasty. Okay, so make sure you try it out. For the ingredients, I'll be leaving them in the description below, so make sure you check out the ingredients. Guys, isn't this yummy? This is yummy. Please make sure you try this out, and like I said, you can use any spice, okay, you want, okay? So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.